nature is good for you. When we feel stressed, tense or restless, we are drawn outside. We all need nature. I was missing nature a little bit in my everyday life, so I looked for a way to bring it back in. That's how Organoid came to be. I wanted to create a deeper connection between humankind and nature. Sometimes I feel like the crazy inventor from child's books, constantly tinkering with recipes and processes. But sustainably combining the power of nature with humankind's sense of innovation is extremely important to me.
Well, let me put it this way. The initial assignment was bring the lavender field into the waiting room. That was a big challenge. But now we can calmly say, no problem, how about the rose garden in your bedroom? We work with raw materials that are rapidly renewable or upcycled. From alpine hay to stone pine, we've got it all. Over 100 different parameters go into the climate-neutral production of our natural surfaces. Innovative technical processes and a lot of manual labor, we manage to bring nature in.
Our surfaces are simply a piece of nature. You can really see, feel and smell the raw materials that are untreated and are carefully manufactured. The tangible design is hypoallergenic and has a pleasant effect on the room climate. Our innovative backing material allows for a wide range of applications. The surfaces are not only for walls. This piece of nature looks just as good on a glass door, on furniture or on the ceiling. There are no limits to creativity.